61A lecture number 30. Announcements. Project 4 will be released just as soon as we finish cleaning it up, hopefully today. It's not due for a long time, but it's really important that you get through most of it next week. Next week is a normal week, except for that Friday is a holiday, but the week after that, there may be a strike, and that would mean no office hours, no lab, no discussion. So, instead of waiting for a week when there's no staff support to finish the scheme project, do it next week. In fact, we'd like you to work on it next week so much that we've changed a little bit about the point structure in order to help encourage you to get started as soon as possible. Checkpoint 1, which is the first phase of the project, will be next Tuesday. Checkpoint 2, which is the largest part of the project, will be a week from Sunday, meaning you'll have all next week to work through Checkpoint 2. Now, these checkpoint dates were changed from what we originally announced, and so it might not be part of your plan to complete the project next week. What we've done to compensate for that is grant 2 bonus points to everybody who submits the project. So even if you don't get the checkpoints, you're going to get 2 bonus points to compensate you for that. And if you do get the checkpoints, then you get extra credit. Now, checkpoint 2 is Sunday the 13th, but there are no office hours on Sunday or Saturday or Friday, which is a holiday. So I would strongly recommend that you aim to finish checkpoint 2, which is most of the project, by Thursday of next week. Find some time to work on the project next week so that you can get it done. If you need help, you can ask questions on it or come to office hours, and staff will be there to help you out. In order to help you even more, we are repurposing lab time next week. We'll still hold labs, but instead of having a lab assignment, we'll just let you work on your project with staff there to help you out if you get stuck. They might even give you some guidance about how to get started in the project. So come to lab next week, get started on the project, and everybody will get lab credit. In addition, the homework that was originally due next week will instead be extended to the following week, so you don't have to worry about homework next week. You just have to worry about the scheme project. And the last thing I'll do to help you get ready to solve the scheme project is spend today's lecture telling you about the structure of a scheme interpreter, which is what you're building, so that you can refer back to this lecture to understand how all the pieces fit together as you're working through your project.